first play I ever saw, I think I was 13, 14 years old, and it was in my youth theatre up in Swansea, of the Arthur Miller play, The Crucible. And it blew my mind. Power of the story, the power of storytelling, the power of theatre. But I wasn't seeing Welsh stories. We have immense resources here in terms of creativity and talent and imagination and skill and technical know-how. We need to harness that. We also have such an immense, rich history of story in this country that is, to a large extent, untapped. I want there to be a Welsh National Theatre. We want a company that is a home for the best of what is being done, that can be truly ambitious, that we can tell our stories to as many people as possible, and to be able to tell those stories on a grand scale, on the greatest stages in our country and stages across the world, to be able to say, this is our story, this is our voice, this is our Welsh National Theatre. Only by telling our story now. And we have to make something that you want to come to, and acknowledging the stories of the past, and that nourishes you, nurtures you, galvanizes you, excites you, inspires you, angers you. Can we move into the future together and reinvent ourselves, reimagine ourselves? And if we can do that, then we've got something that we can be proud of, and something that we can own, that is ours, and that we are proud to share with each other and proud to share with the world.